just getting butter chicken ready for Christmas. Just put another big blob of butter in there. It's going to be great. The chicken's already been sous vide for 3.5 hours. It's tender as. Just let this simmer for 5 minutes and it'll be ready too. Just need to add the chicken. And yeah, a Christmas lunch butter chicken shall be ready. God, that smells great. Okay, I've strained the sauce, the chicken sauce, my butter chicken sauce that is, through a sieve to get all the bits of garlic and all the bits of ginger out. Some people don't like it in there. I don't mind it actually, it's quite good. But I've strained that and I've now added all the chicken thighs. As you can see, there's actually heaps of chicken in there. That's going to marinate next probably 24-36 hours and really take on the flavours into the chicken itself. But the chicken was sous vide for over 2 hours. It's so incredibly tender. So it seems such a shame to waste such a great meal at Christmas time. Should be saving it for myself.